Hi, this is Chris at the Wandering Bull. Today we're going to talk about turbans, their construction, the material. I've got 3 examples in front of me, and start on my left hand side. This turban is Osage in Central Plains in the United States, and it's made of otter, some wool, and it's lined with green wool as well, edge beaded, nice rosette. And the claw in the upright position is actually carved out of elk antler. And this necklace here in front of it is the mate to this. It's a group. So, nice turban. It is tied on the inside. And hanging down the back of the head, this group of shredded otter. And the tab on the inside, obviously 4 different color fabrics and beaded as well. And here's the necklace that matches that. And once again, they're elk antler. They're steamed and then they're bent to represent bear claws, grizzly claws. And it's decorated with otter, some beadwork, and well executed. Flip it over. And the underside of the claws or the antlers are painted red. So you can kind of see the marrow end of that, the inside of that elk antler. It's pretty porous on the inside, took that red paint very well. And all of the top of the claws are wrapped with otter. And the underside of the otter is painted red. Nice red earth paint. And a couple of rosettes. A nice piece. And the middle turban here is made out of otter, ribbon work, elaborate ribbon work. The tail down the back of the head, well done. Nice white otter, highly desirable, that white otter opposed to this dark brown. The underside of the tail, once again, elaborate ribbon work, well done. And that flap that hangs on the side, a little bit of otter, dangles, some ribbon, all edge beaded. So a nice piece. So the dragger that goes with this set, it's got ribbon work on the edges, edge beaded, couple of little squares of ribbon work in the center, as well as some German silver or silver brooches. I think there's 3 on that. Right down to the bottom of the tail. I would say this piece is probably 1950s, 1960s. I don't know if it goes into 1970s, but a nice piece. And once again, that light color otter opposed to that nice dark brown. And the last turban I have is otter, that dark brown fur, a silver brow band, stamped, etched, lots of cutouts, and a nice brooch on that, and nothing hanging down the back of the neck. And that guy is lined as well. In the past, we've done other videos with turbans, so you can check out those videos as well. These are new material. They'll be on the website, so check the website for current inventory, as that inventory changes regularly. We do carry the beads, wool, and otters to make your own. So if you have any questions, jump on the website or give us a call at 1-800-430-2855. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Give us a call now. Thanks a lot.